almost all the traders do like expiry trades, obviously, because expiry trades are taken just on the expiry day and results are out within a day. So if I get 10 requests for different strategies, out of those 10 requests, mostly I find that okay, at least 5 requests are for some trades which can be done on expiry day. Although for conservative traders like me, expiry days are not very exciting, but today again I have come up with a strategy for traders who are definitely in front of the screen. This strategy on expiry day is not for somebody who's not observing the screen. So be very cautious. For learning purposes, yes, you can see the video. It's a very exciting, interesting trade, but then there are few adjustments which I am going to show you. So welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. We talk about very conservative option trading strategies and best adjustments in option trading strategies. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. We give you pre-market report every day morning at around 8 a.m. Now let me take you to this trade. I am on 23rd December. 23rd December is the expiry day, Tuesday. So morning 9:30, let us see where is the market. Market is at around 26,150. Again, I am saying this trade is for a little bit of experienced traders, right? So what I will do, I will buy 2650 call, just one call. I will sell 26,202 calls at 18 each, and I will buy 26,301 calls. So if I show you the payoff diagram after this, see what it looks like. It looks like this, and you can say, okay, there is a huge risk of 5,000 rupees if in case market falls, yes. And on upside, we have a small risk of 1,365 rupees. Now, how can I make it much better? There is no sense in this kind of a trade. We need to make it much better. What I will do, here I am saying my lower break-even point is 26,119. So what I will do, I'll buy a put of 26,050 in 14 rupees. Everything is happening for the expiry day only. I will buy one lot. Now, if you see the payoff diagram looks like this. In case market really tanks down, it can be a huge profit. In case market goes up, it can give me a loss of 2,400 rupees. In case market stays somewhere here, it can give me some good profit. But there is a big drawdown here also, which is around 6,090. But obviously, we are not sitting just like that. We are going to adjust our trade. So let us see how the trade pans out. Do click on the like button and subscribe button. Each and every like is very precious to us. So the next 30 minutes, our trade is giving me some 352 rupees. Next 30 minutes, it's giving me some 753, 1027. And if I see the PNL, okay, this call which I had purchased in 102 is 134. Let me go another 30 minutes. Okay, now this is 137.95. Just see this payoff diagram. Now this payoff diagram is saying that okay, if you can do some adjustments, this trade can be converted into a very good trade. So what I will do, just see it carefully. You can pause the video and see all these steps again. So what I'm doing is I am buying this 26,050 call purchased at 137.95. I am going to option chain again. Instead of 26,050, what I will do, I'll buy 26,150. I'm shifting my call buying by 100 points. Once I do that, see what happens to the payoff diagram. Now on the downside, payoff diagram is perfectly okay for me. There is no risk at all. On the upside, the risk has increased. So how to reduce that risk on the upside also? Now my call purchase is 26,300, which is 2.6. What I will do, I will secure off this call. 2.6, and I'll buy a call which is slightly lower in strike. Instead of 26,300, I am buying 26,250. With this adjustment, my upside risk will reduce. Let us see what happens now. Okay, now I am able to achieve a payoff diagram where I am not going to lose anything, and this happens at what time? At 11:30 in the morning. Expiry is at 3:30. So in case market really tanks down, there can be a huge profit. If market remains here, I can still make 2,000-3,000 rupees. I'm already making 1,300 rupees. If market shoots up, then also I'm not going to lose. Okay, my profit can be slightly less, 41 rupees only, but obviously there is no loss, and we have made two simple adjustments in the trade. If you are not able to catch up the things, please stop it here and rewind it and see it again. Let us see now what happens to the trade on expiry. So 30 minutes, it is giving me 1368, which is good enough. 1481 at 1 o'clock, 1500 rupees, and I am not bothered what is happening to the market because I have no risk at all. This is the best position to be in. Next, 130, I am making 1600 rupees. 1700 rupees at around 230, I am almost making 2000 rupees, and at around 3 o'clock I am making one of the best possible returns, which is 2872. This is just an iron fly. Have you developed that trained eye which can see that okay, market has moved up or moved down, what kind of adjustments I can do so that the trade becomes totally risk free? If we had not done that adjustments, the trade would not have been a risk free trade. So simple two adjustments we did and made the trade risk free, and then we are also stress free for the whole day. At this point in time, we can definitely book the profit, but if you want to see what happened at exactly at expiry also, this trade is giving me some 2081, which is a very good return. This kind of trade will hardly take, let's say, even if it takes, let's say, 1 lakh rupees, I doubt it will take 1 lakh rupees. It will take much lesser than that. So even if it takes 1 lakh rupees and I'm able to make 2000 rupees or 2500 rupees, that is a decent 2%. Obviously, some of you will say there are charges. Yes, there are charges. But with these kind of premiums, the amount of charges will be negligible, hardly 100 rupees or 200 rupees. So, by any sense, if you are able to make more than 1% or 1.5% or 2% in one expiry day, that is definitely a great day. Now, can we convert all the trades like this? That is something you need to practice. This is again, I am saying this is not for somebody who is new to options. This is for somebody who is experienced trader. Every time will the same adjustment work? I cannot say, because obviously depending upon the market situation, there can be different adjustments for these kind of trades. I'll say ultimately, if you are not a very experienced trader sitting in front of the screen, these are not the best trades. I will say best trades are monthly trades where you can do adjustments, where you have space, where you have time to do adjustments, and suddenly there is no red M2M on the screen. Like we have done two workshops in that. One of the workshop is on Iron Condor. So in Iron Condor workshop, we have shown how to create the trade, what is the framework, and how to do the adjustments, what kind of margins are required. And we have shown you 12 back testings, and we have recorded this workshop. If you want to buy, you can buy this workshop. Another workshop which we have done last month, it was iron butterfly trade. Iron butterfly, I'll say, is more conservative, but it can again give you very good returns. Only thing is if you can do a right kind of adjustment. Now that adjustment we need to pick up from the framework we have given, the kind of adjustments we have shown for last 12 months, that everything is included in the recording. If you want to buy any of these videos, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. You can buy any of the recordings. If you're a silver member, you will get 10% discount. If you're buying both the recordings, you will get 25% discount. And in case you are a TOS premium member, you will get, even for one video, if you buy one course also, then also you will get 25% discount. Yes, we have now new memberships. There is a silver membership where you get a lot of exclusive videos. Then you have TOS Insights. Here we give you backtestings of monthly strategies, what has happened to them in the month, wherever we are showing you that we will be testing a lot of strategies and giving you the results and showing you the backtest. And there is a TOS premium membership in which we are giving videos about TOS wealth cycle. A lot of you have asked us to give us more details of TOS wealth cycle. So in that we have already created few videos. We will be adding some more videos for TOS wealth cycle. Plus you will be getting backtesting also. So one of the ways is that okay, you can join premium membership, see all the TOS wealth cycle videos once they are published, and then maybe you can go back to TOS Insights also, wherein you will regularly keep on getting the backtesting videos. I'm leaving you with another interesting video on option trading strategies and adjustments. Hope you will like it. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button All our subscribers are very, very precious to us. Thank you. See you in the next video.